Hello guys, the contents of this video series have information about OGC CDB format which is used in GIS and about how to extract the geospatial information from OGC CDB database by using Visagis libraries so that you can further process that information. I have prepared the contents of this video with the thought that a software developer gets an opportunity to work on OGC CDB without any prior knowledge of GIS. So keeping this thought in mind, I tried to prepare the topics in a simpler way, and the overall contents are divided into four parts. And the first part will cover about what is GIS real life applications, and commonly used GIS software tools. So let's start with this. GIS stands for Geographical Information System, where geography means the physical earth and the information means that the location of an object which is present on earth and its attribute. For example, your object can be your aeroplane, building, or a river, and attributes like its shape, its color, etc. means the information about the object, right? And the third part is the system. System means that the technology or the software which we are using to analyze the stored geographical information in a meaningful manner and display it on the screen and analyze it, right? So in a nutshell, the GIS help us to understand what has happened and what to happen and what will happen in the geographic space. In the next slide, let's have a look on some GIS applications. The application of GIS is almost in every domain. For example, city planning, the site selection, and it is used in the logistics. And for example, to know about the current water resources analysis and for network analysis and many more. And actually, we all are using the GIS. For example, we all are using Google Maps to know about the route from one destination to other destination and to know about the how much time it will take from one destination to other destination. So let's I demonstrate to you through one example. Okay guys, I am opening the Google Earth Pro software, and here I am going to give some location, and these are the coordinates of this location. First one is the latitude, second one is the longitude, and let's search for this. And here, as you can see, these are the present objects on this particular geographical area. Okay, so okay guys, if it is required to analyze this particular geographical area कि साहब इस पे आज से 10 साल पहले क्या था या 15 साल पहले क्या था, right? So you can use this tool, and if I let's say move it to 2000, in the 2000 only these are the objects was present on this particular area. And let's say if I move it to say 2006, and in 2006 this is a condition, and further move in 2008 this is a condition of this particular land area. In 2011 this is a particular condition of this land area, and as of now these are the objects present on this particular geographical area. So here I mean to say that with the GIS tools or the softwares, you can come to know about what has happened on the earth and what is the current situation on this particular geographical area, right? So let me open the Google Maps. Google Map is one more GIS tool which we all are using. So if I say okay, the directions, simply I choose this point, and if I write it here, let's say Connaught Place, through this particular GIS application, I will come to know about, okay, this much is the distance from one destination to other destination, and approximately this much is the traveling time from selected destination to other destination. So okay guys, these are the few practical examples of GIS applications in which we are very frequently using the Google Maps in our daily life. And the second one, through the Google Earth Pro, I tried to demonstrate you how you can visualize the things of past. Okay guys, similarly there are number of GIS tools available which are commercial or the non-commercial tools used for number of applications. So let's have a look on GIS tools in the next slide. So guys, here I mentioned some popular GIS software tools in which you can see the QGIS tool is open source tool. ArcGIS tool is a very famous tool, and this is from ISRI company, this company. Okay, and there are some other tools, for example, Google Maps, Google Earth, and there are various tools which is used to analyze the geospatial informations for many application areas. Okay, so guys, in the part 1 I tried to explain you in a simple way what is GIS and what are the applications of GIS and how it is useful in our daily life and the commonly used tools in the GIS applications. In the next video I will explain important terminology as associated with GIS. Thank you very much for watching this video.